VRStudio review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from nkacademy.com and welcome to my VRStudio review. So in this VRStudio review, we'll take a look at what VRStudio is, as I have got access to VRStudio, as you can see over here, and I have tested it out. It's an awesome software to create virtual reality based tours for you. With that being said, I have got you covered with some awesome custom bonuses for this VRStudio review as well. Now with that being said, I do have a ton of custom bonuses for this VRStudio review as well. Anytime if you want to check them out, you can just find a link in the description, clicking on which you would come over to my bonus page. That should look like this, and if you scroll down, you can find my awesome bonus package from here as well. Apart from that, I have a discount coupon which when applied gives you $30 off as well. So if all that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this VRStudio review, because I'm going to reveal anything and everything about VRStudio in this VRStudio review. And if this is the first time you are into this channel, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because in this channel you get authentic, honest reviews on different software products that can help you make money online. That being said, now it's time for us to take a look at what VRStudio is in a nutshell. So as you can see, VRStudio is a brand new AI fusion based technology to create and sell highly profitable 360 interactive videos and images in minutes. Plus it requires zero technical or prior expertise as well. Now you can have different things embedded within your tour as well. I'll show you, don't worry. You can see over here, you can actually create your 360 virtual experience so that people can visit your store without actually visiting it, right? It can be used on different restaurants, hotels, salons, gyms, spa, and many other dentists, right? The application range is actually infinite. Then you can see it's a you can also create presentation with it. That means you can actually go on a live call with it as well. I'll show you, don't worry. Now in here you can see this is a demo store. So if we just play this, then it will just load within a few seconds. Let it load, and you can see it has loaded. And right over here you can see it is a store. You can just take a look around the store, right? You can see all these blue things are hotspots over here. That means point of interest. Now if you click on that, you can see you can actually take a look at the product itself, and if you like it, the best part, you can also add it to cart right from here. That means you can use it for shopping experience as well, which is quite amazing. Plus you can have different things, like you can embed your videos, you can embed images, you can embed maps, anything and everything, so that people can get more rich experience while visiting your store, that is virtually visiting your store, right? So that being said, there are plenty of demos over here. I'm not going through each of them right now because that will take a lot of time, but you can feel free to just go over to the sales page and check for yourself how cool that is. Now that being said, I also want to show you some of the best in class businesses that are using 360 videos. You can see here Oreo is using them, Hyundai using them, Nike, Samsung, whatnot. You can see Nissan is there, Red Bull is there, whatnot. So everybody is kind of using it, and it's one of the best in class things to have. But the problem is that for local business owner or for small business owner, this is a real expense to be had, because you can see people are charging around $2,000, $1,200, and around $350, and at the minimum around $100 to create one single virtual tour, right? Now you can actually get hold of this amazing software itself and let it make all the hard work for you, and it costs you only a one-time price of around 47 bucks. Absolute no-brainer according to me. With that being said, that was it about this short. Now with that being said, that is what VRStudio is in a nutshell. Now we'll jump over to my bonuses that I have for this VRStudio review. In order to check all of my bonuses, all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which should look like this. And in here, if you scroll down, you can find any and every info on VRStudio. Then in here you can find all the bonuses that I have in store for this VRStudio review. The first of them is called the CopyMate, which comes with the front-end OTO1 and the reseller access as well. This actually helps you in writing copies that actually sell. The second one that I'm giving you is StoreCom. Again, comes with front-end plus OTO1 plus reseller, and it helps you to create your own e-com business. The next one that I have is called Prime Web, that comes with the next level website builder with over 1,000 plus done for you templates and live editor, where you can do whatever you want to. The last but not the least one is called the Unlimited SEO app. Again, it comes with the unlimited version that you can explore and get top rankings on Google and YouTube as well. Now, apart from these 4 bonuses, I have got you covered with over 300 plus bonuses on my bonus page. Now, my bonuses include anything and everything. There are traffic software, there are video making software, there are keyword to content writing software, there are keyword to video making software, there are transcription software. I've given you funnel builder software, membership site building software. I've given you website creating software. I've given you agency building tools as well, like content contracts done for you, graphics, everything included. I've given you done for you courses that you can sell at any price you want to. I've given you lead magnets that you can offer. I have given you done for you email swipes. I have given you some additional bots that can help you to grow your Instagram and your Facebook profile. I can help you in anything and everything that you wish to. You can just go through this bonus page at your own time. I'm not really going through all of these bonuses over here because that is going to take a lot of time. You can just go through this at your own time and you can check for the quality of the bonuses that I'm giving you. All of them are software and all of them are related to different stuffs that you can do online and help you in making more money online. Now, with that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering, because I am super confident that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. With that being said, now it's time for us to take a look at VRStudio demo. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that VRStudio has. And I'll be also discussing with you the upsells that VRStudio has. And I'll be also recommending the upsells you should and you should not invest in. With that being said, let's jump in for a VRStudio demo. Hey, welcome to this VRStudio demo within the VRStudio review. And as you can see, I am within the dashboard of VRStudio and I've already created a tour. Now, I have just created a little tour so that I can show you how to use it. But you can do better things if you have better 360 images, right? With that being said, if we go over to virtual tour and list tours, then as you can see here, this is the tour that I had created, and there you go. There are the different statistics. Like my tour has got 2 rooms, it has got 1 maps, it has 6 images in the gallery, and it has got 1 info box. Now, if I take a preview of my tour, I can just click on this eye icon so that the preview loads up, and there you go. So here is the floor map. We can always reach out to this floor map if we want, or I can just close it as well. And in here, you can see there's a hotspot of an image. So if I click on that, an image would load up. Now, this is an arbitrary image that I have just given so that you get to know how it happens. Then in here, you can see there is another hotspot. Now, this is telling that there is an all-in-one $25 business. So if I click on this, this will actually take us to the sales page of this product. I'll show you. But before that, let me show you how you can have additional rooms over here. Say this one, as you can see over here, this is kitchen. So if I click on this, you can see I get entered into the kitchen, right? And this is the kitchen area. Now, in the similar way, I could have got some point of interaction over here as well. That is up to me. Say, for example, if I wanted to sell this icon, I could have done as well, right? As I had shown you on the demo, on the sales page. So that's how it works. And it's pretty easy to build a tour. All that you need to do is go over to virtual tours, go over to list tours. And in here, you just need to click on create. You can give it a name and then it would be created, and then you can add your 360 images to actually create a tour. Now, with that being said, I'm not going to create a tour right now because that would need some 360 images and some property images so that I can give you a good tour demo. But I have just shown you that it is possible, right? I have created a tour using some stock images and you can see that it works seamlessly. Right now, if I want to publish the tour, I can just click on this publish and it gives us different option to publish it. You can see you can get the link, you can get an embed code, you can also get a QR code. If you just click on this, you will get a QR code corresponding to this virtual reality as well, which you can share on your websites, you can share it on WhatsApp, whatever you want to write. So that's quite cool. Now, I'm not really wasting your time over here. I just want you to take a look at how good the tours can be using this software. So for that, we'll move over to the sales page of VRStudio, and in here we will take a look at this house tour demo. Maybe just load this up. It will take a few seconds, and as you can see, this is already embedded on this web page, right? So that's how it can happen. And in here, there you can see this is the floor plan. This can be very, very effective for interior designers or realtors, right? You can just have the floor map and you can showcase people how good the property is going to look once it's finished, right? That's a great thing to have. Now, I'm cutting this off right now because I just want you to see how it looks. So if we move over to this spot, then over here, you can see this is the living plus kitchen. So if we take a look around, you can see it looks quite amazing, right? And then over here, you can see there's a hotspot over here. So if we click on that, that will take us to the exterior point where we were, right? And then in here, you can go for WhatsApp chat. You can go for directions as well. You can take a look at what is the info of it, right? You can also go for these things. These are the direction things for your tour. Say, for example, if I want to take a look at living plus kitchen, I can just click on this. And here you go. I'm into the living plus kitchen. Now, if I go over here, you can see it's showing bedroom. So if I click on that, I would get inside of the bedroom and you can see it looks quite amazing, right? So all of these images would be available to the realtor, right? All that you need to do is just put them in a sequence and boom, good to go, right? So again, if we go over here, we'll go into the bathroom and you can see quite amazing, right? So you can understand that if you can give this kind of demo to any of your customers, they are bound to actually feel good about it, right? And this is really going to help you in getting engagement with your client and finally closing the deal, right? So this was just an example of a real estate. Maybe in the same way you can do it for art gallery, as you can see over here. No matter what your business is or for whichever niche you want to work, you can find a suitable demo over here. What I suggest is that just come over to the sales page and check for yourself how cool this software is. And since this comes from a reputed vendor like Team Voodoo, it is bound to be a good one and a supported one as well. With that being said, that's it for this VRStudio demo, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this VRStudio demo. And if you really want to pick up VRStudio, then why not pick it up via my link, because I'm giving you some awesome custom bonuses which you can find nowhere else. I can literally vouch for it, right? That being said, again, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering. I'm that confident because I know that the kind of bonuses I'm providing it, nobody can provide you the same. With that being said, again, if once you are happy to pick up VRStudio via my link, all that you need to do is just go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can just scroll down to find all of my bonuses. And then if you continue scrolling down, you can find any of these red buttons which says get my bonuses for VRStudio. And if you click on this will actually take you to the VRStudio sales page. Again, we have already gone through it. Now you can go through it at your own time. I'm not really wasting your or my time in doing that. And once you like what you are seeing, you can just go ahead and click on any of these buttons to get access to VRStudio along with all my bonuses for completely free of cost. Now remember, all your bonuses would be delivered right inside your JVZoo dashboard. However, if you have any difficulties in getting them, kindly email us at our email ID or reach out to us on our Facebook page. The link to both of them would be down in the description as well. Now that being said, it's time for the pricing that it has. The front end is going to be priced at only $47, one-time price. Amazing stuff. You have already seen that people are selling one single virtual tour for around $100 to $1,200 depending on the quality, right? So you can imagine the amount of money you can make with it. And at $47 along with all my bonuses, it's a complete no-brainer to have. The OTO one is the pro version, which has some pro features, like you can have a live presentation, you can have built-in store and those kind of features in it, and it's going to cost you $67, again a one-time price. The OTO 2 is the max version, which actually gives you unlimited of everything, and it's going to cost you around $87. Now the OTO 3 is the marketing upgrade, and it has different marketing things like branded videos and all of those stuffs. Then there's the OTO 4, which is a 5-in-1 software bundle that you are going to get, which includes video maker, video hosting, and 3 other different apps as well. And you are going to get full access to all of those apps, and all of that for only $67, a great one to have. And last but not the least is the OTO 5, which is the reseller, and it should cost you around $67. With that being said, there is also a bundle deal in which you can get everything. And that is a recommended deal to have, because you are going to get all the OTOs. You are going to get the front end, pro, max, marketing, the 5-in-1 upgrade, the agency pack, and the reseller access as well. All of this you are going to get only for a price of $297. Again, that comes with a coupon code of $30. That means you can apply this VRStudio bundle coupon code to get $30 off, which brings the price even down to $267. And at that price, it's a complete no-brainer to have, because you are going to get everything on VRStudio. You are going to get 5 additional software. Plus, on my bonuses, you are going to get 4 additional full funnel software as well. So an absolute no-brainer according to me. However, if you are only interested in VRStudio, then you can check out the VRStudio front end. Alongside that, you should opt for the pro and the max version. That being said, again, the final decision is up to you. I have explained all the OTOs and all the features. Just go through the sales page. Whatever you like, you can pick up according to you. But if you go by my choice, then either you should invest in the front end, pro, max, or you should go ahead and pick up the bundle. With that being said, that brings me to an end of this VRStudio review. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this VRStudio review. If you have, then please smash the like button and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this VRStudio review. With that being said, we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.